How to enable or disable show charging information on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on display. After click on display, scroll down. You will see show charging information is here. If you want to disable show charging information, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see show charging information is disabled. If you want to enable show charging information, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see show charging information is enabled. You will enable or disable show charging information from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can enable or disable show charging information on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.